Hey, it's the Midnight Raven, and today we are doing a Mysticum Luna pin haul, or pin subscription unboxing. So the box itself has changed. You see Mysticum Luna. It's actually a white box with like broken hearts all over it. I must say that this is the second white box I've got now, and I'm not feeling it. I want the black box back. It looked more professional. This one, I have opened it already. But I don't know. I just don't like the box. I think they need to go back to the black one. It sounds a bit bad, you know, moaning about them, but I think they need to go back to black. So I'm going to have to tear it open because I have no scissors. But inside, they always colour match the outside. So today it's red. And it's actually upside down as well. So it's not really... They're not really taking much care on their design, because you open it up and it's actually printed upside down. So the print is upside down that you open it with. What are you doing to me, Mysticum Luna? So, all the boxes... So usually the box is black, the print is an upside down, so that they're kind of slacking a bit on the... But never mind. So this is Mysticum Luna, and that is their social media. I also got a sticker this time, which you don't usually get, so I've got a sticker there. So I might stick that somewhere. And then the pin subscription itself, you get 2 pins a month for £8. You can actually go on their website and buy more pins, or you can go on their website and get mystery pins, which is where you get 2 little packets like this, totally at random, and you can get bracelets, jewellery, necklaces, rings. They cost £2, and then there is a little shipping on each of them. And they also do other mystery boxes which are bigger in size if you then want to check them out as well. I will link the website at the bottom. So these are technically £4 each, which for a pin isn't exactly a bad price. So you get the same pins as everyone else that gets a subscription, but the stuff that you get in the mystery bags are totally random. So... I do have some mystery bags I've done before, so I will link my Mysticum Luna playlist at the end. So the first pin we have is this skull with these really cool heart-shaped eyes. As you can see, it's so glittery. Look, he's got a heart-shaped nose that's upside down, which is really cool. So it's just a white skeleton. You got the pin clasp at the back as well. He looks kind of cool. Very nice. It's all smooth and everything. And the glitter. So that's nice. That's the first one. The second one. Are we going to follow with the whole romance theme for February? Oh, and I think we might. Oh, this is kind of cool. So we have what looks like a noose. So it looks like a noose. Try and hold it. So it looks like this. So this one isn't glittery or anything. This is just like a plain noose. Also, a glittery noose would have looked really cool. So it looks like this. But if you turn it the opposite way, ooh, the noose is in a heart shape, which is really cool. Look at that. It would have been nice if it was glittery. For me, it's a bit plain, but it is nice nonetheless, and it is following the theme. So I do love that. And again, you've got the metal clasp on the back. So the 2 pins we got this month with a Valentine's kind of theme to them was the heart-shaped noose, which I'll put the right way. Heart-shaped noose. And we also got the skeleton. So look. So we have got 2 pins which actually have a good theme because it's Valentine's. So we have a good theme there for February. Like I said again, I'm not a fan of the box. They need to change it back to the black one. And the fact the print was upside down means that I'm guessing it was just rushed. And the boxes, it just doesn't suit. I like the black boxes. It looked like they'd put time and care into it. So if you want to check out Mysticum Luna for yourself, you can check out their website. Like I said, this one is £8 a month for the extra subscription, which you get every month. You can get single ones like this and buy other pins from their store. You can get the mystery bags, which are exactly like this and this size, but they're £2 each. But they're a mystery on what you actually get. You can get necklaces, rings, and everything. So that's a total mystery. Or you can buy loads of other stuff, or you can buy the bigger boxes they have. They have a box in there for like £20. So do check out their website. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. My playlist for Mysticum Luna, if you want to watch the last year, I think I've been subscribed now. Oh my god, I think it's been a year. Then please check out my playlist. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.